In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a social media content planner in Notion in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a content creator, a marketing manager, or just someone who wants to keep their social media strategies organized, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in and make sure you have everything set up smoothly. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace in Notion. This is where you can access all your wikis, documents, and projects neatly organized. If you're not already logged in, simply click on the Login button. Enter your credentials and you're ready to go. This will take you to your Notion homepage, and from here, the real magic begins. Once you're comfortably in the Notion environment, look for the Templates option. This is a fantastic feature that Notion offers. A library full of pre-made templates that you can use to jumpstart your projects without having to build everything from scratch. By clicking on Templates, you'll be presented with a plethora of options, so feel free to explore. But for now, let's stay focused on our goal. In the search bar that appears within the Templates section, type Social Media Content Planner. This powerful feature lets you quickly find exactly what you need among the vast options available. By entering these keywords, you'll pull up templates specifically designed to help you plan, schedule, and manage your social media content effectively. Once you've found a template you like, go ahead and select it. Don't rush here. Take a moment to preview and consider if it suits your needs. These templates are customizable, so choose one that really resonates with how you envision organizing your content. After selecting it, you'll see an Add button. Click that, and this will copy the template into your workspace, ready for you to tweak and adjust as necessary. Now, with the template added to your workspace, it's editing time. This is where you bring your social media content planner to life. Populate it with your current projects, campaign schedules, posting goals, and any other specific details that align with your vision. Modify categories, set timelines, and adjust the layout to ensure it makes sense for your workflow. As you tailor the template to your specific needs, remember that your planner is a dynamic tool. Notion allows you to update and revise with ease, so don't hesitate to make adjustments as your content strategy evolves. With continued use, this planner will become an indispensable part of your content creation process. And that's it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've built a powerful social media content planner in Notion. This tool will help you maintain a structured approach to your social media strategy, ensuring you meet your content goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy planning!